Hey guys, Adam Frimmer here from DIYPhotography.net. We're here with Zac at the Stabilens booth at PPE 2019. He's going to tell us how you can balance any lens you want and switch between them really easily. Check it out.
DIY Photography's coverage of PhotoPlus 2019 is sponsored by Luminar, an AI-powered photo editor. PhotoPlus, immerse yourself in the world of photo and video. Cozy Speed, the fastest camera bags in the world. And Spiffy Gear, lighting for storytellers.
So Zac, what is this gimbal ring you call it?
Yeah, so this is my invention. So the Stabilens gimbal ring allows you to put it on your lens and pre-balance your lenses so you never have to balance your gimbal again. Right? You can swap lenses all you want. You're on set, you're doing a run and gun shoot. You want to, get that close up, or you are going into a low light situation, you want to change lenses. This system allows you to do that without putting your gimbal down and messing with all the adjustments. I invented this because I shoot video myself, I own my own production company, and it was a pain in the butt to always be rebalancing, and I was thinking, how has no one solved this problem? So I decided to solve it, and here I am.
So it's kind of like in cinema lenses, you have lenses that are kind of in the same family and they're kind of balanced the same way?
Yeah, so cinema lenses have been doing this for a little while where they're all the same weight and they're all the same size. But when you're shooting with DSLR, micro four thirds lenses, or you're shooting across different camera bodies, everyone's workflow is different. And this product is completely universal. This is a Stabilens ring. You can stretch it around your lens. So this will fit any lens between 58 and 100 millimeters. If you really want to stretch it, you can go to 110 or so. But that basically covers all your lenses that are like DSLR style or micro four thirds. And we are going to be releasing a bigger cine version because my background is in TV production. I've given this to a lot of pros. It's being used on professional sets now, but their lenses are bigger, so they're asking for it. So I'm making it. Yeah.
Cool. So what is actually in the product?
So this is the case. The kit comes with one ring, fully loaded with weights, and a case. So each ring can add up to half a pound of weight, but don't worry because you don't need to add that much weight. I know a lot of gimbal shooters want to keep their camera as light as possible. Yeah. So in a lot of cases, you're not actually adding that much weight. If you look at this lens here, you're only adding 6 weights. So that's only about 60, 70 grams of weight that you're adding to your kit in order to have this balanced against this other lens. So I can show you how it works.
Show us.
So check it out. Here we have a 35 millimeter lens on the camera right now, which is a great gimbal lens. But if we pull this off, let me put on this 85, and you'll see I put it on, and it's bang on balanced. You can look, it's balanced here. You're ready to shoot, even though this is a completely different size lens. You see that when I take the gimbal ring off, it's completely off balance, but I pre-balanced it on the lens hood here for an easy on-off, and it's that simple to balance.
So I see you are working primarily with the Rokinon family set. What if I want to go a little crazier? How crazy can we get?
Yeah, and we can get really crazy here. So, for instance, I have here a 50mm Canon EF lens. So not only is it a different manufacturer, it's a Canon lens, but it's an EF mount. So I have a Metabones speed booster on it to adapt it to my GH5. So it's a completely different size, weight class, and lens family. And you throw it on here and you'll see, okay, it's still off balance. That's because we haven't added the Stabilens ring yet. So as soon as I add that, and since this is such a crazy difference, I have to add this little counterbalance to the arm, which is a simple snap-on. I made everything as quick and easy as possible. And there you go, it's bang on balanced, right? It's balanced on every axis, and it'll just work. So it really is a game changer. All of a sudden, creative possibilities are going to open up. You can swap between, as long as you're using gimbals that are in the same weight class, you can swap between gimbals, even different manufacturers. I've used these on Zhiyun, Ronin. I've used these on basically everything. It's been tested on. Everything I can get my hands on, and this has been in the field. People are using this, and people are loving it. So here I am at the show, debuting it to the world.
So price and availability, what are we looking at right now?
So we haven't set a final price for this yet, but it will be available to pre-order on my website within the next month or so. It's stabilens.com, and it will ship in January.
Cool. Well, thanks a lot for your time. We're really excited to get this on a gimbal. That was Zac here at the Stabilens booth at PPE 2019. I'm Adam Frimmer from DIYPhotography.net. Don't forget, we have a huge giveaway. You can read more about that in the description below.
Yeah.